You're watching Homegirl Creates with me, Adora. Today, let's see what's behind these doors. Now, I don't show you all this stuff to be like, look at all my stuff. No. Maybe you find this relatable. Maybe your garage is packed to the rim with stuff, or your attic, or your basement. Maybe you need a little encouragement in the decluttering game. I find this overwhelming. There's a trail to the storm shelter, and I can get to the car. But man, there's just so much stuff. Now that homeboy has his mechanic's garage, some of this will go over there, and that will help a lot. But this is going to take some time sorting, tossing some stuff out, and donating things. We had this sink installed in the corner when we first moved in. There were already a water hookup, and we've installed some shelving. And I always wanted a dog washing station. Now I need to work on these shelves. Much better. I could leave it like this, honestly. This makes me so happy, but you know we have to put some things on the shelves again. But isn't that so much better? Look at baby Belle. She's gonna get a bath. Yes, she is. Don't be overwhelmed with all that cuteness. That's like 60 pounds of muscle there. She's a tough girl. Yes, she is. She's also got a lot of fluffy hair. She's so soft and fluffy. She's a buff babe. She loves her bath time. This is Velvet, one of our 7 indoor rabbits. She loves to be groomed. She could sit there all day, I think. So yeah, we're making progress. We've got this little pet station going on. I moved the toolbox. But there's so many things to do yet. And it's hot summer. This is going to take me a while. We cleared out this corner and we decided that the lawnmower along with the mowing cart would fit perfectly there. I got out a table. It's time to sort some boxes. We had plenty of boxes, but I condensed them down to totes, even though some people think it's funny to put plastic spiders in my box. So I've got these shelves cleared off. This is going to be all gardening right here. And then we've got the water station. Still have this corner to work on. We'll get there.